Yo, what's good? This video is about the idea blueprint. It's our 4-step process to make any idea profitable through content strategy. We know that content strategy is what converts customers. So when you focus on these 4 simple things, we know the analogy. It's identity, distribution, engagement, and acquisition. Our first step is to really kind of take a look at the I of the idea blueprint, the identity. Not just the name and the logo or the color scheme. We're also wanting to take a look at what people think about when they think about your business. What makes you different? What makes you unique? What you stand for? What's your mission? What's your vision? So it's a really deep dive into your brand identity. In addition to that, we're also taking a look at your customer's identity. You really want to identify and put a persona behind your perfect customer. You want to look at the demographics, but then you also want to understand what their needs are. Are you solving an issue for them? What is it that you're doing to get them from where they are currently to where they are looking to be? The next step is, once we understand the message that you're looking to get across, we're understanding how we're going to get that messaging across through different distribution channels. What are we going to do online in the digital world, and what can we do offline in the real world? First, when you're looking at online, whether it's through social media, whether it's through email or through your website, short form video is very essential to connecting to your customers online and crafting that message. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Other distribution channels like YouTube are good for mid-form or long-form content as well. Writing copy. Believe it or not, they still like to read. So creating long-form captions, creating email newsletters to where people can sit down and they can read and consume everything that you do. But offline, you're definitely going to want to go to networking events. Get out there and network. Make sure that you've crafted your message in a way to where you can really kind of distribute your message no matter where you are. Once you figured out where you're best going to show up, you've crafted your messaging, you understand who your target market is. Next, you want to create engaging content. This is the step of the process that we go into when we're doing your actual production. And the production breaks down into pre-production, production, and then post-production. When you're going into the pre-production process, you really want to kind of lay out the type of content that you're going to create. Whether you're doing scripted content, whether it's off-the-cuff interviews, sales content, shooting testimonials, this is when we're really kind of crafting before we get into the production process. Of course, next comes the production. That's the content day, that's the shoot day, where we actually sit down and we do the interviews and we get the B-roll content where we're crafting the messaging. And then we go into the post-production. That's when we're editing all of your different videos, really kind of making sure that your messages hit, that the timing is right. That's basically the process with engagement. The last step in our process is the acquisition, really kind of trying to identify what content is becoming most profitable for your business. So we're taking a look at the analytics. We're testing a lot of different video assets to see what works. What's getting the most clicks? What's getting the most views? Are you looking to generate leads? Are we looking to grow your social media presence? Do you want to get more followers online? Or is it, at the end of the day, sales and donations? The type of content that we build is really going to depend on what your ultimate goal is. The final step is creating content and crafting messaging that creates conversions as well. So of course, that was the idea blueprint process for content strategy. And of course, our ultimate goal is making sure that we maximize your return on your investment and making sure people find out who you are, figure out what you do, and then do business with you. If you have any questions, definitely drop a comment below. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Peace.